My friend Matt works in the creative industry and has a super cool hard loft, which is for him a live workspace. But his girlfriend was moving in and the space felt unfinished, to say the least. Now this space is awesome. It has original floors, it has lofty ceilings, some painted brick, but it was almost a forgotten space. The furniture was sparse, it wasn't welcoming, and it really wasn't fit for them to have anybody over or to work from home. The idea here wasn't to cram the space with a whole lot of furniture. I just wanted to bring in the right pieces to really accomplish what they needed, which was storage, comfort, desk, and style. So we partnered with Urban Barn because I knew they would have the perfect furniture for this space. On their wish list was a really comfortable couch, additional storage, a desk so they could work from home, and a really cool feature wall that could be a focal point because there's like no fireplace here, there's really nowhere for your eye to land. And the nook behind the couch was the perfect spot for it. It wasn't too big, so I knew we could really splurge on something spectacular. Now I knew I wanted something artsy because both of them are in creative fields. So I thought it would be super cool to use an oversized mural from one of the old masters. We found a Reuben, which had all the right colors. It had some of those golden tones, it had some grays, some blues, some reds, and most importantly, a lot of drama. This mural came in 6 panels from Wall Sauce, and it was basically a giant sticker, so super easy to install and honestly easily removable if ever they change their mind. Now this was the perfect backdrop for all the furniture we were going to bring in. The first thing I picked was the couch, and I knew it would be better than a sectional in a space because I didn't want it to feel too casual, especially if they have clients coming through or even if they have guests. This is their one and only living room, so it really has to look chic but still be comfortable. So we achieved that with the Nixon sofa. Now the couch came with a ton of pillows. Like I said, it's a super comfortable couch, but we took off a few of the original pillows it came with and then added some accent colors just to work with the art and, you know, because color, it's nice. Now the floor. The floor is very golden. It's got some patina to it, and I didn't want to fight against it. So we did choose to go with a big rug, something with a bit of blues to pick up on the painting. It's just softer underfoot and really brings the whole living room together. Now the desk was a really important element in the space, and I didn't want it to feel too much like a heavy library desk. I wanted something light that would mimic a sofa table when not in use. So the Axle desk was perfect. It has a really slim profile, it's jet black, and has a shelf up top made out of glass, which matches up with the height of the sofa. It has a pair of slim drawers where you can just hide your laptop and anything else when it's not in use, and it just has a really cool look that fit perfectly within the loft. And then obviously they wanted more storage, which was easy to add in. I chose a dresser for the living room as extra storage because I liked that it was low, had a surface, which meant that we could add some beautiful things on top. And here's the kicker. You can put a piece of art which turns into a blackboard or corkboard or whatever you need for work on the other side. It's like business in the front, no. It's like party in the front and business in the back, okay? Okay. That's why I chose a dresser. Surface. You can hide your office supplies because we all know they're ugly, and then keep that surface for beautiful things. Oh yeah, and then the media unit. The media unit. Okay, so he had 2 vintage benches as a media unit. It was super sad, but whatever. It held up his tiny TV. But we needed something with a bit more storage, so I chose this sleek black media unit, which matches the desk, looks super cool, has a bit of closed storage, which is always helpful, and some media shelves. He still has his tiny TV though. Oh, and then to frame it, we flanked the media unit with 2 ficus trees, and they are faux ficus trees from Urban Barn. They look pretty cool. And they're that right hit of green, and you don't have to worry about them because, hey, they won't die. Now every living room needs an accent chair. And this one is really nice. It has wood details. It's a little bit mid-century, but not too much. And I really like the channel tufting on the upholstery. It's chic and it also comes in a recliner version. The coffee table I love, and I feel like it's one of those classics that we haven't seen a lot of. You've probably seen this in a gold base with a clear glass top, but this one has the matte black iron legs with a smoky glass top. Super sexy. These are super versatile pieces that they can move from room to room or move into another house that's not a loft. They're great, comfortable pieces that will stand the test of time. Matt and Jen love the space. Obviously, them being two artsy people, they're just crazy about the mural. But what they love best is now they have a really comfortable space where they can have friends over, and it's sophisticated enough to receive clients if they need to. It's a really good dual purpose space that is used on the daily for them, and they are thrilled.